Not everyone knows how to work with professional editors, but everyone needs beautiful photos. Upload a photo and play with the light however you want. Change the sky in your photo, paint on the background, and do a lot of other things. Hello! In this video, I introduce a website where you can do the coolest things with your photos. This website has a lot of tools, but for this introduction, I will only work with 2 of the tools on this site. You can also work with other tools on the site according to your needs, so stay with me until the end of this video. First, we go to the clipdrop.co website, which I wrote the link in the description. To register, you can use your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts, or you can register with another email. By clicking on Tools, you can select the tool you need. One of the interesting tools on this site is Uncrop, which I want to work with. This tool expands the image, meaning it creates a real environment around the image that matches the image. By clicking on this blue box, we upload an image and select the size we want our photo to expand and click the next option. Here we confirm that we are human. It created 4 photos. It's really amazing. Of course, there are still some flaws that can be fixed in the future, and if you click on this sign, it creates new photos. The other tool I want to work with is Relight. Well, here are some examples that we will look at together. This is a photo that has been relighted using artificial intelligence. This is the original image. I want to upload another photo and learn how this tool works together. We upload a photo that needs lighting. We can use SD quality for free, but for HD quality, we need to upgrade our account. Well, artificial intelligence itself has relight our photo. We can manually do the lighting using the options below. In the background option, if we uncheck the original option, a background will be created in the color of the specified lights. If we uncheck the receive light option, any light we specify will not be applied to the background of the photo. And if you check the transparent option, it will make the background transparent. With the ambient option, the environment of the photo takes on the desired color, which we can increase or decrease its intensity. By default, there are 3 lights, which we can delete and add to them. We can also change the color of each light. We can move the location of each light by clicking on it. There are 3 options below the photo. With the first option, we can determine the color of the light and increase or decrease the radiation. With the distance option, the light moves in the depth of the image. We can determine the distance from which the light shines. And from the radius option, we reduce or increase the radius of the light. To use the site's features more and with quality, you can upgrade your account. This tool can be ideal for lighting in the photos of your products for sale. As I said, this website has other interesting tools, such as Reimagine XL, which you can use to change the decor of a room or any other place. Of course, I previously introduced an excellent website that I put the link in the description, and you can use it for professional decor design. This video has ended. If you also use artificial intelligence tools, please share in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this, by liking it, video will be exposed to people like you who want to use artificial intelligence. Thank you.